Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How do you do? We hope you and your family are fine and enjoying good health. So, dear students, attend your virtual classes and do your homework regularly. It's your computers class. Here is your computer book and we are going to start the reading of chapter number 1. Our chapter number 1 consists on page number 5. So dear students, open page number 5 in front of you and the title of our chapter is Computer Software. Today we are going to know about computer software. Dear students, what is computer? Yes, what is computer? Computer is an electronic machine. Okay, let's start the reading of our unit number 1, computer software, in which after the reading of this chapter, we will able to learn about different things just like computer software, system software, functions of operating systems, language processes, describe the application software, and we will be able to describe customized software. Let's start our reading. Computer software. Yes, students, a computer software is a collection of computer programs. Which thing? The collection of computer programs that provides the instructions for a computer on what to do and how to do. So this software provides the instruction to computer that what to do, how to do, कि कंप्यूटर ने क्या करना है और उसने वो कैसे करना है. Software is used to control the operations of the computer. So software is used to control, इसने control करना होता है operations of computers को. There are two types of software. One is system software and other is application software. Let's study about the system software. Let us know about the system software. System software controls the various operations performed by computer hardware. अब कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर से जितने भी काम हो रहे होते हैं उसको सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर कंट्रोल कर रहा होता है. इट हेल्प्स द यूज़र टू ऑपरेट द कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. There are 3 types of computer system software. So students, note this different types. Number 1, operating system. Number 2, utility system, utility program. Number 3, language processor. Again, operating system, utility programs, and language processors. Let's know about first type of system software, operating system. An operating system is a software that controls the overall activity of computer. कंप्यूटर की ओवरऑल एक्टिविटी को कंट्रोल करता है. It provides an interface between the user and the hardware. The following are the tasks performed by operating system. Number 1, operating system manages the computer resource. For example, it allocates the memory and CPU. Number 2, operating system manages the transfer of data to and from various peripherals such as keyboards, mouse, scanners and printers. इन सब से वो डाटा ट्रांसफ़र करता है कंप्यूटर के अंदर. ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम मैनेज द सिस्टम सिक्योरिटी एंड परफॉर्मेंस. अगर हमें सिस्टम की सिक्योरिटी और परफॉर्मेंस को भी मैनेज करना है then we have take the help from the operating system. Similarly, it provides the application software to communicate with hardware. For example, if you give a command to print, the operating system gives an instruction to the printer to start printing. अगर हमने printing करनी होती है, when we click the button Control P, then we will give the command to the computer. After giving the command to computer, there is a page that comes in front of you that consists of different types of instructions, just like which type of printing do you want, landscape, portrait, one-sided, double-sided. So all these done due to the help of operating system. Example of operating systems are nowadays Android, Microsoft Windows, MAE, OS X, and Windows Phone. Note these examples, underline these examples. These are the examples that used nowadays. There are many operating systems. Let us study about some of them. Number one is single user operating system, multi-user operating system, multitasking operating system. Single user. A single user operating system allows only the user to access the data और टू वर्क ऑन एन एप्लीकेशन एट अ टाइम के एक वक्त में एक ही काम कर रहा होता है. मल्टीटास्किंग, मल्टी यूज़र्स होते हैं वो डिफरेंट टाइम पे ज़्यादा लोग काम कर रहे होते हैं. मल्टी यूज़र ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम अलाउज द सेवरल यूज़र टू एक्सेस द सेम डाटा. मल्टीटास्किंग के एक टाइम पे हम ज़्यादा से टास्क पे काम करवा रहे होते हैं, ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम कर रहा होता है. Multitasking, as the name shows, multitasking means the ability of a computer to run two or more applications, दो या दो से ज़्यादा applications को run करना at the same time, एक ही वक्त पे. So this type is known as multitasking operating system. It allows multiple programs to share a computer resource. For example, sending a file on the internet while listening to music. Two times can be done at the same time. Two tasks. Number one task is to send the file on internet. Number two is your listening of music. You may also send a printing beside doing the above task. Okay, you can also send printing while you are continuously busy in sending the file as well as while listening the music. The operating system take care of operating, printing and other being performed at the same time. Windows is the multitasking operating system. Okay ji, let's move to our next topic, that is utility programs. What are utility programs? Utility program is a system software that improves the operations and operating system by providing additional and specialized function to it. For example, in front of you, various steps of access utility programs are open. Okay ji. These are available in system tools section. And accessories. Some of the popular utility are as follows. Here are the utility accessories, and these are present in system tool, and these are your utility programs. Backup utility, antivirus, data compression, and network utilities. What is backup utility? It allows to you take a backup copy of data or information to on a disk. डिस्क पे एक बैकअप कॉपी बना लेता है. एंटीवायरस क्या कर रहा होता है? यू ऑल नो अबाउट द एंटीवायरस. दैट एंटीवायरस स्कैन फॉर कंप्यूटर वायरसेस. Number third is data compression. It compresses the contents of disk. And network utilities, it analyzes the computer's network connectivity. Okay, these are the four different popular utilities: backup utility, antivirus, data compression, and network utilities. Let's know about file manager. File manager provides a way to perform different operations such as deleting, renaming, moving, merging data, files, etc. If you want to delete your file, if you want to rename your file, if you want to move your file from one folder to another folder, if you want to merge data files, etc., then you need which thing? File manager. Which thing? File manager. Disk management. It includes the operation like disk cleaner, checkers, disk formatting, etc. So disk cleaner management consists of disk cleaner if you want to clean your disk, if you want to see the checkers, if you want to format your disk, then you have to need the disk management. Okay, here are some question answers, MCQs type question answers. After reading some lines, some paragraphs, here are some MCQs that are related to our reading portion. Unix and Linux are dash operating system. Dear students, Unix and Linux are multi-user operation. Dash scans for a computer viruses. Dash scans for computer viruses. Which thing? Yes, antivirus. Very good. Dash is multitasking operating system. Yes, which thing? Good. Windows are multitasking operating system. Before studying languages processors in detail, let's study programmed languages. Now, students, let's study about different program languages. As you know, students, what is a program? A program is set of instructions. Which thing? It is a set of instructions given to the computer. The set of instructions that are given to the computer are called programs. Remember this statement. These instructions are written in some specific language called programming language. Programming languages are categorized into the following types. There are two types of programming language. One is low level language and other is high level language. And what are the purpose of programming language? Because the instructions that are given to computers are written in some specific language. एक ख़ास किस्म की लैंग्वेज होती है जिसमें कंप्यूटर्स हमारी इंस्ट्रक्शंस को कॉपी करता है, उसको चलाता है. So there are two categories of programming language. Number one is low level language. Number second is high level language. Low level language. The short form of low level language is triple L. LLL. Low, L stand for low, again L stand for level, and L stand for language. Low level language are easily understood by the computer but more difficult for programmers to understand and write. अभी easily computer तो understand कर लेता है low level language को, but the user but the programmer didn't understand this type of language and write this language. There are two types of machine language and there are two types of low level language. One is your machine language and other is assembly language. Machine language. Machine language is only language that is directly understood by computer. As the name shows, machine. So computer is a machine. The machine can easily understood this type of language. All the instructions are written in series of zeros and binary ones. As you know, students, computer as an electronic machine only understand a binary language. Binary 0 and 1. So machine language is 0 and 1. A program written in a machine language needs no translation or as the CPUs execute from them directly. अब इसके ट्रांसलेशन की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती, जो भी प्रोग्राम डालें डायरेक्टली CPUs को एग्जीक्यूट करता है. Therefore, processing it is very fast. For this reason, games, simulation, programming are written in machine language. इसी की वजह से इस तरह की सारी फंक्शंस, इस तरह के सारे सॉफ्टवेयर जो होते हैं उनको प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज के अंदर ही, मशीन लैंग्वेज के अंदर ही लिखा जाता है. But these languages are not easy to understand or use for a human beings. Writing and checking the machine language is very tedious task and can be done only by expert programmers. So this type of languages only can be understood by the expert programmers. Assembly language. Assembly language uses letter codes instead of binary digits. These letter codes are known as mnemonics, and mnemonics is alphabetic abbreviation used as memory. For example, to represent addition, the mnemonics add may be used. Okay, and Similarly, some of the other memories are used as follows. Okay, assembly language क्या होता है? Assembly language use कर रहे होते हैं letters code को. Special code letters are used for this purpose. Just like if you want to subtract, so the assembly language that is used for this purpose is SUB, multiply, MULT, mult, load, LDA. This is the short form of load. Divide, WDIV, div. Division, short form of DIV, is used for this purpose. Let's know about high level language. High level language, HLL. H stand for high. High level language are easy for programmers to write and test. इसको प्रोग्रामर्स इजीली राइट भी कर सकते हैं और टेस्ट भी कर सकते हैं एज कम्पेयर टू लो लेवल लैंग्वेज. दिस लैंग्वेज यूज लेटर्स, वर्ड्स एंड मैथमेटिकल सिम्बल्स as are used to human language. Okay, simply इसके अंदर different type of letters, words and different symbols can be used. High level languages are not machine dependent. Okay, once the program is written, it can be used on different computers. The programs written in high level language needs to be converted into machine code by using either compiler or interpreter. Okay, high level language can be converted in the computer by using different type of compilers or interpreter. A comparison of high level and low level language. Here some is in front of you. This is the comparison. Number 1, high level language faster to write, low level language difficult to write. हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज ईजियर टू टेस्ट, इसको टेस्ट करना ईजी होता है, लेकिन लो लेवल को डिफ़िकल्ट होता है टेस्ट करना. इसके अलावा प्रोसेसिंग स्पीड इज स्लो इन हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज, बट इन लो लेवल लैंग्वेज प्रोसेसिंग स्पीड इज यूजली फास्ट. C++, Java and high level language. These are your high level language. Fortran, COBOL are low level languages. Some of the popular commonly used programming languages are Fortran, low level language. Okay, this is the oldest high level language, Fortran, developed by John Backus, IBM and IBM. Okay, ji. In 57, it is mainly used for scientific and methane based problems. Okay, mathematical based problem. Sorry, this is mathematical based problem. COBOL. Fortran stand for formula, O stand for formula translation, FOR formula, TRAN means translation. COBOL, C common, C of common, B business, O stands for oriented, L stands for language. Common business oriented language. Again, common business oriented language. It is developed by Grace Hopper in 1959. This is also oldest one. After Fortran, the next language that is developed, that is processed, which was COBOL. It is mainly used for business and data processing application. BASIC, BASIC, beginners all-purpose symbolic instruction code, is a simple or widely used programming language. It is mainly used as teaching language. Okay, teaching language के लिए ये ज़्यादातर यूज़ की जाती है. Pascal. Pascal is a programming language used mainly in scientific and file processing application. Okay. CC. It is developed by Dennis Ritchie between 1969 to 1973 के दरमियान ये डेवलप हुई. And the purpose of forming this type of software, this type of programming is programming language having some of the features of assembly language. It has some of the features of assembly language. It is mainly used to develop application software and programs. CC is mainly used for which purpose? It is used for develop application software and programs. C++. C++ contain most of the features of C language. Just like there is a C language, So most of the features which are used in this C++ language, it is an object-oriented program language used in develop system software. Okay, this language is used for preparing the system software. Java, Java, Java is an object-oriented platform-independent language. It was developed by James Gosling, who is the father of Java. Here is the name of फादर ऑफ जावा, जिसने जावा को बनाया था. जावा इज़ यूज इन सर्टनली वेब पेजेस के अंदर ज़्यादातर इसका यूज़ होता है. .NET The .NET framework is a software developed by Microsoft that runs on Microsoft Windows. This is mainly used nowadays in designing web application, database connectivity, and network communication. Okay. PHP is general purpose scripting, very high level language made for web development to produce web pages. PHP is known as hypertext processor. Okay student, this is for which purpose? Used for web development. अगर वेब की डेवलपमेंट करनी है तो PHP यूज़ किया जाता है. .NET को भी नेट के लिए ज़्यादातर बेसिस यूज़ किया जाता है. Okay, these are the some types, some popular and commonly used programming language: Fortran, COBOL, BASIC, Pascal, C, C++, Java, .NET, and PHP. Let's know the advantages of high-level language. Instructions are similar to English, which makes high-level language easier to understand. इंस्ट्रक्शंस बिल्कुल इंग्लिश की तरह के होते हैं और इजीली हम अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हैं HLL को. इट इज़ ईजी टू राइट, करेक्ट एंड टेस्ट प्रोग्राम रिटन इन हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज. Programs written in high level language can be executed by different computers. So this is the main advantage of high level language. Here is a cool tip for you. We call low level language as or high level language. So for the level of abstraction contained in these languages, there are many levels of abstractions involved with high level language. Okay, low level and high level language, we call this because there are a lot of difference between their levels, high level and low level. Okay, language processors. What is a language processor? Here is the definition of language processor. A language processor is also known as a language translator. Language processor is also known as language translator. इसको हम language translator का नाम भी देते हैं. As you know, computers programs are written in high level language, but computer understand only the machine language. Machine language, low level language. Okay. Thus, a translator software is used to convert the high-level language codes to the machine language code, because you remember this student, computer always understand which language? Low-level language, machine language. So, there is a necessary thing that to conversion of high-level language to the machine language. When a program is fed into this computer, language translators automatically converts the program into machine language and check its syntax of errors. क्या होता है, जब आप कंप्यूटर में स्टार्ट करते हो, इसको चलाना स्टार्ट करते हो, उसमें प्रोग्राम डालते हो, तो जो हमारी लो लेवल लैंग्वेज है उसकी ज़रूरत होती है, लेकिन वी आर कन्वर्टिंग द डाटा instruction in the form of high level language. So high level language is converting directly from language processor into the low level language. There are three types of language translators. Number one is assembler, number two is interpreter, and number third is compiler. Assembler, an assembler software that converts the assembly language instruction into right machine codes. Okay, machine codes में transfer कर रहा होता है assembler. Interpreter, as the name shows, to interpret. An interpreter is a software that converts the high-level language codes into machine language. It translates the high-level language program line by line, and the line is translated, executed, and then moved to the next line. If an error is found on any line, it is reported to the user and the execution of program is stopped. क्या कर रहा होता है इंटरप्रेटर? लाइन बाय लाइन ट्रांसलेशन कर रहा होता है. अगर कहीं पे कोई गलती या एरर आ जाए तो ये रिपोर्ट करता है यूज़र को कि देयर इज़ अ प्रॉब्लम इन योर program, then it stops. This execution of the program will stop. Compiler also converts the high level language programs into machine language. Okay, how? Let us see how it converts. It converts the complete high level language program into machine code in one go. एक ही टाइम पे उसको फ़ौरन कन्वर्ट कर देता है. If any error is found, the whole language program is to be recompiled again. अगर कोई एरर आ जाए तो पूरा प्रोग्राम दोबारा से कंपाइल होता है. So these are the three types of language translators. Number one is assembler, number second is interpreter, and third one is compiler. Here is a comparison between assembler, compiler, and interpreter. In assembler, written for a particular hardware, it is compiler written for a particular language, and the interpreter is also for a particular language. Assembler converts assembly language into machine language. Okay, assembler converts machine language into assembly language into machine language. Compiler converts high level language into machine language, and interpreter converts that high level language into some forms of intermediate languages. Number third one is assembler translator. ट्रांसलेट द एंटायर प्रोग्राम, पूरे प्रोग्राम को रनिंग से पहले ही ट्रांसलेट कर देता है. कंपाइलर ट्रांसलेट द एंटायर प्रोग्राम बिफोर रनिंग, एंड इंटरप्रेटर ट्रांसलेट द प्रोग्राम लाइन बाय लाइन until the completed or error is found. उस वक्त तक नहीं कंप्लीट करता जब तक लाइन बाय लाइन यह सारा काम ना हो जाए. Students, you must know what you must know. Lot of languages cannot easily be categorized as high level or lower level language. Like C is compared to assembly language, but there is enough scope for हाई लेवल एब्स्ट्रैक्शन इन सी. बहुत सी लैंग्वेज ऐसी हैं जिनको हम लो लेवल और हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज में कैटेगराइज नहीं कर सकते. क्यों नहीं कर सकते? बिकॉज सी लैंग्वेज इज़ अ लैंग्वेज एंड दैट इज़ प्रेजेंट इन असेंबली लैंग्वेज ऑल्सो, बट देयर इज़ एनफ स्कोप. बहुत ज़्यादा स्कोप है. ऐसा भी होता है कि उसको हम हाई लेवल में भी कैटेगराइज करें तो हम ईजिली सारों को कैटेगराइज नहीं कर सकते. Application software. What is application software? An application software used to perform operations for a specific task. किसी एक टास्क पे हमने ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करना है, then we need application software. Application software are mainly of two types. There are two types. Number one is packages and second one is customized software. Packages. There are some general purpose application software developed for user to perform specific tasks based on their requirements. Such softwares are called application software. Application packages. Some packages used on computers are word processing software, just like MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint. So all these things are packages, and these are your packages software. Spreadsheets, presentation graphics, and database management system. Electronic spreadsheet helps in doing accounting and financial tasks, for example Microsoft Excel and Lotus. So these types of sheets, this type of electronic sheets are used for which purpose? Are used for accounting and financial tasks, etc. Presentation graphics. For presentation graphics, which things are used? Presentation graphics by including text, graphics, animation, sound, video, etc. For example, Microsoft PowerPoint. Just like this my video, I have prepared all this lecture on Microsoft PowerPoint. So I have done this task by using this type of package. Database management. Database, the short form is DBMS. Database, B for base, D for data, B for base, M for management, S for system. Database management system is a collection of data and other related information of database. It is used to handle the large amount of data stored in a database. अगर हमें बहुत ज़्यादा अमाउंट ऑफ डाटा को स्टोर करना है, उसको हैंडल करना है, तो हमें डाटाबेस की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. For example, Microsoft Access. Okay. Customized software. Customized software is made as per the specific information of an organization. The users can specify what all the requires from the software, and software is built to accomplish the specific task. This is known as tailor-made software. For example, software made of hotel management system would be different from that of an airline reservation system. Okay, every organization, every authority have their own software. These are the customized softwares. Now students, let's move toward the exercise, and this exercise consists of different MCQs, fill in the blanks, question answers, etc. Our first part of this exercise is choose the correct option and write the space provided. And here are some scanning boxes are also present. So dear students, scan this exercise from your mobile, and you can also check, you can also test your memory. You can also check these answers of these correct options on your mobile phone. Dash is a collection of computer program. Which thing? B. Computer software. So computer software is a collection of which thing? Computer software is a collection of computer program. Antivirus and file managers are dash program. Which thing? Utility program. These are utility programs. So take the utility programs and write the utility program in this blank. Dash is an example of operating system. Which thing? English, Android and Fortran. Yes, Android is an example of operating system. Is and compiler and dash is a software that converts assembly language into instruction into machine language code. Which thing? That is your assembler. Dash language is general purpose program language. General purpose program language. Pascal, Basic, yes, C. So the answer is C. Dash is a property that allows several users to access the same data at the same time. Which thing? Multitasking, multi-user, multimedia. Yes, multimedia is used by the several users at the same time. B part. B part is dash some utility programs are available in the system tools section of accessories. So write here accessories. Okay, and the second one is the first one. The answer of first one is accessories. Second one is dash language is used to create web pages. Which language is used to create web pages? Java. So Java, so right here Java, Java, Java. A dash converts the HLL high level language into machine language. Which thing? Compiler converts high level language into low level language and machine language. A customized software is also known as dash. Customized software is also known as tailor-made software. So right here tailor-made software. This is the answer of part number 4. 5. Programming language can be classified as dash and dash, low level and high level. Right here low level and high level language. Where is low level? There is low level, and high level. This is high level. So right here high level. Okay. Next one is dash allows you to take the backup copy of data or disk. Backup utility. Where is backup utility? This is the answer of backup utility, part number 6. Dash PHP program is known as. Tick the correct and cross the wrong one. Now we are going to tick the correct one and cross to the wrong answer. COBOL, COBOL is used as teaching language. No, this is wrong. A compiler converts the HLL program into line by line. This is also false because compiler is not used for this purpose. Microsoft Computer is a word processing software. Yes, this is right. C++ and Java are high level languages. Yes, this statement is again true. Okay, next one is without spread system software, computers are useless. Yes, this right is absolutely right. This one is also absolutely right. Electronic spreadsheets help in accounting and financial tasks. True. This is also true. Here are some question answers. And our first question is define operating system. Now we are going to define operating system. What are the types of system software? All these questions have been read in our reading portion. Let's see the answer of these questions one by one. Define operating system. Operating system is a system software that control overall activities of computer. What are the types of system software? Operating system, utility system, program and language processor. Name some operating system used nowadays. Number 1, Android, Microsoft, Mac OS X and Windows, etc. are the operating system used nowadays. Who is known as father of Java program language? James A. Gosling is known as father of Java programming language. This is the name of the person who created programming language. What is language processor? What are its various types? Here is the definition of language processor. That language processor is a translator program. It is used to convert high-level language into low-level language into machine language. Here are the 3 types: assembler, compiler and interpreter. Question number 6 is differentiate between high-level language and low-level language. The answer of this question is in front of you. There is a difference between high-level and low-level. Question number 7 is what do you mean by DBMS? DBMS stands for Database Management System and it is a collection of data and other related information. Question number 8. What do you understand by application software? Application software is used to perform operations for a specific task, packages and customized software, etc. Next question is what are the various advantages of using high-level language? Here are 3 advantages that are also written on your book. So note these advantages on your neat note. Question number 10 is what are utility programs? Mention any 4 utility programs, discuss their importance. Okay, utility programs are software that improves the operations of the operating system. Here are 4 types of here are 4 utilities. Number 1, backup utility, antivirus, data comparison and network utility. Question number 11 is what do you mean by customized software? Explain with example. Here is the definition of customized software. What is different tasks performed on operating system? Here are 3 different tasks that are performed on operating system. So note these answers on your note. F part puzzle. Here is a puzzle that is present on your book and dear student, try to complete this puzzle at your home by following these clues. Here are some clues. Okay. Now students, just like the first one, it converts the HLL program line by line to machine interpreter. The second is it converts the assembly language into machine language. Which thing? Assembler. This is assemblers. So students, find all these words and draw the block here, downward, upward or backward direction, and write these words in these blanks. Here is the time for your homework. And your homework is read chapter number 1, solve and learn exercises. This on your book, and solve part D, your question answers on your NEET workbook. Now, dear students, I have that you have understood. I thought this is all about today's lecture. If you feel today's any difficulty in this lecture, or you have any question regarding this lecture, call me at school. The number, I will answer your all queries. Dear student, complete all the tasks or homework that are assigned to you in 2 days and share the picture of your homework on school WhatsApp number. That's all for today. See you next time. Take care, stay home, stay safe, and Allah Hafiz.